Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we are going to learn our activity number 29 of our English bridge course. In this activity we have going to see the autobiography and you have to read it carefully with a smiley face. First is childhood. I must have been about 7 when my father left Porbandar for Rajkot to become a member of Rajasthani Court. There I was put into a primary school and I can well recollect those days, including the names and other particulars of the teachers who taught me. As at Porbandar, so here there is hardly anything to note about my studies. I could only have been a medical student from this school. I went to the suburban school and thence to the high school, having already reached my 12th year. I do not remember having ever told a lie. During this short period, either to my teachers or to my schoolmates, I used to be very shy and avoided all company. My books and my lessons were my sole companions. To be at school at the stroke of the hour and to run back home as soon as the school closed, that was my daily habit. I literally ran back because I could not bear to talk to anybody. I was even afraid lest anyone should poke fun at me. अब यहाँ पे क्या बताया जा रहा है कि एक बच्चा है जिसकी ऑटोबायोग्राफी है, यानी कि उसने खुद से लिखा है कि उसकी ज़िंदगी में क्या क्या हुआ है. तो ये सारे इंसिडेंट्स है. अब यहाँ पे टीचर शोज अ डेमो हाउ टू रीड अ स्टोरी एंड आस्क क्वेश्चंस, यानी कि यहाँ पर एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी दी गई है, टीचर इसे रीड करेगी और आप लोग देखेंगे कि स्टोरी किस तरह से रीड की जाती है. अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज़ अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. Mohan and Sohan were two friends. Mohan was a good friend, but Sohan was selfish. One day they passed through a jungle. They saw a bear. They were afraid. Sohan at once climbed up at a tree. He did not care for Mohan. Mohan lay down on the ground. He held his breath. The bear came and smelled him. He thought that Mohan was dead. He went away. Sohan calmed down. He went to Mohan, asked, "What did the bear say in your ear?" Mohan replied, "The bear asked me to be aware of false friend. Moral, be aware of selfish friend." यहाँ पर ये छोटी सी स्टोरी है जो कि मैंने अभी रीड की है, यानी कि यहाँ पर फ्रेंड इन नीड और फ्रेंड इन डीड, यानी कि जो ज़रूरत में ही काम आता है वही असली फ्रेंड होता है. जो कि सेल्फिश फ्रेंड्स होते हैं उनसे हमें क्या करना चाहिए, दूर रहना चाहिए. अब यहाँ पर आपको एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी दी गई है, वो आपको रीड करनी है, द हिडन ट्रेजर. उसके बाद अब यहाँ पर द शेफर्ड बॉय एंड द वुल्फ की स्टोरी है, द कैप्सलर एंड द मंकीज, द डव एंड द बी, यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड, डिवाइड वी फॉल. ये सारे स्टोरीज हैं जो कि आपको लर्न करना है. ओके, जज़ाकल्लाह, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.